Hey guys, it's Thomas Pham again with another subscriber question. Basically, when he exports his game to Android, he tries to tint his screen to a darker color and it turns into a sepia/brownish color instead of blue. How do I fix this? Unless they fix it in the future, you really can't do anything about it. But you can get around it by opening up MS Paint. Open up MS Paint, and once it's open, change the resolution of the image to something close to your game, if not a little larger. Now color your image dark blue. Click File, Save As. Save this image as a PNG, and then import this into your project. To import this, go to Game, Open Folder, double-click on IMG, then Import as a picture. Now that it's in your project, we want to use this to replace our tinting effects. I think one of the easiest ways that you could do this is to code this as a common event. So open up your database, go to Common Events, let's create a new event called Nighttime. Let's start this common event by double-clicking, click on Show Picture, and let's show our nighttime image. Change the opacity to 0. This will basically make it transparent. Now let's make another event right under it. Move Picture, change opacity to 100, and change the duration to 2 seconds or 120 frames, and uncheck Wait for Completion. Click OK. So this works by showing your picture on top of your game, and then moving this picture to a opacity where you could barely see it. So in turn, you get kind of a tinting effect without actually using tint. It's definitely a good idea though to use a different unique ID than just one. You want to choose one in the higher ranges so you could place things under and above this picture. Now let's create a new common event called Daytime. Now, because you've already shown the picture in the nighttime event, you don't need, and you really shouldn't be showing the picture again. Let's take our Move Picture event and just copy it into Daytime. But you want to change the properties of this one to go back to 0 opacity. So to use this, you want to create a new event, create a wait for however long, just so I could show you I'm doing 2 seconds. Now create the common event for nighttime. And then just so I could cycle it back to day, I'm going to copy the code that we have there and change the common event to daytime. And we'll do parallel process. And click OK. Let's see how it works. So it's shifting to nighttime, and now shifting to daytime. Back to night, back to day. So the way that it works is basically that we're bypassing the function in our RPG Maker and using a picture instead. You could change the opacity or even change the color of the image for different effects like daytime and so forth, but that should be able to work on Android as well without breaking. So let me know how it works, and if you have any questions, leave me a comment. Thank you.